In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy pages between Canva designs. If you've ever wanted to reuse a set of pages from one project in another, like moving a cover, a checklist, or a thank you page, this quick method will save you tons of time and keep everything consistent. Start by opening the project that contains the pages you want to copy. Make sure you're in the editor, not just previewing. At the bottom right of the editor, click the grid view icon. This switches your view to a tidy wall of page thumbnails, which makes selecting multiple pages simple and precise. Grid view is perfect for spotting the exact pages you want, and it helps you confirm their order before you copy. To select more than one page, hold down Shift and click the pages you want. You'll see a highlight appear around each one as it's selected. Shift clicking is great for selecting a continuous range. Click the first page in the sequence, then Shift click the last one, and Canva will select everything in between. If you change your mind, just click a page again to deselect it. Once your selection looks right, press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac to copy. Canva quietly grabs everything on those pages: text, images, backgrounds, animations, and keeps their order intact. Now, switch to the other design where you want these pages to live. It can be in another tab or window. Just make sure you're back in the editor for that destination design. Click anywhere on the canvas or in the page panel so the editor is active. Then press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac to paste. Canva will add the copied pages into your current design, keeping them grouped together in the same sequence. If you're pasting into a file with different dimensions, Canva will still bring content across. You may see slight adjustments, which you can fine-tune afterward. A couple of tips to keep things smooth. Check that you have edit access to both designs, and give the paste a moment if your pages contain large images or video. If nothing seems to happen, click the canvas once and try pasting again, just to make sure the editor is in focus. Remember, you can always drag pages up or down in the page panel later to rearrange them. That's all there is to it. Use grid view, select with Shift, copy, switch designs, and paste. It's fast, reliable, and a great way to keep your designs consistent across projects.